How is going, everyone? I hope you are all good. So today I'm going to be talking about NIO stock. So there is a little bit of bad news around the NIO stock. Not that much of bad news, but just a little bit of bad news. I hope that we can go over this bad news to just face the spike in the stock price. But before going into the video and talk about this bad news, just give me a small favor, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And right now, without further ado, let's go and talk about this stock. So NIO really at the last trading day opened around 2011 and closes around 20. It was like down 1.77%. And the stock really opened up and it didn't go to the upward or downward. It was like chopping around, just like choppy, and there is no clear trend in the stock. Okay, so the stock continues sideways after the hours, and if we go to the 5 days period, the stock really opened strong, right? The stock was like bullish and was like trading higher, and then some news came over here, and the news were talking about COVID-19, the spread of COVID-19. COVID-19 is getting back in China. We can see over here the COVID statistics in China, coronavirus disease statistics that you can see in China, and the numbers are starting to really, we are seeing a spike in the cases. We are having new cases in thousands and thousands, and also the number is getting bigger and bigger over time. So NIO started the last week trading around 23.40 and closes around 20. And last month, if we go to the month, it was like going down, right? And then something around bullish news came, and the stock spike around about 40 to 55%. It is really big spike for NIO last month, and then it really didn't hold the 24 area, and then after the COVID-19 news came, the stock tumbled, right? So why the stock went down? So this is like talking in general, in general about all the Chinese companies based on in China. Alibaba, NIO, and all of them are falling today. This is like an article 3 days ago on April 7th. So Alibaba Group and this company, PPD, shares are trading lower Thursday alongside several other Chinese stocks as COVID cases continue to climb in China, causing prolonged lockdown measures in Shanghai. So China is banning flights at the fastest pace since January in rising COVID-19 cases. 6 airlines were reportedly issues 1 week bans within 4 days. Here is talking about the surges. The surge in cases has led US companies in China to reduce projects, and this is also going to affect the companies that is the US companies that is in China as well. So they got affected in their projects as well. The increase uncertain waning on several Chinese stock as well. So what we are expecting on this thing is that it is a very big supply chain issue, not gonna affect only China, but maybe if this gonna continue, the entire world is gonna be affected as well, because China or America sneezes and the entire world is getting cold. This is gonna make a definite problem in the entire world, because China is responsible for sending a lot of raw materials to the entire world, and when the COVID is gonna come, that is gonna like blow up. It is like a blow, right? The lockdown is gonna happen and all the factories gonna shut down, and that is gonna cause economic problems around the world. So talking about NIO in specific, NIO rivalry suffers a major blow. Shanghai-based electrical vehicle manufacturers such as manufacturing plant over suppliers distributes. This news is specific only for NIO. NIO is suspends its productions in one of its factories, and this is maybe gonna cause the price to really go down tomorrow, on the first trading day tomorrow. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. So Shanghai-based electrical vehicle manufacturer NIO has taken another hit to its production's goal as supply chain issues forced companies to suspend productions at Hefei China plant. NIO announced on its mobile app. They are having mobile app, and they are like updating new news around that. So shelter the planet after its suppliers in various cities shut down productions because of the COVID outbreak lockdown in Shanghai. And since March, due to the pandemic, the company suppliers patterns in several places, including Jili, Shanghai, I don't know the name of this city, suspend production one after the other and have yet to recover, the company said in its mobile app. And this is not actually the first production shutdown. We faced also many shutdowns, we can say, in the production. We saw that in the previous years as well. So right now we're gonna go to the chart of NIO stock. As you can see, NIO stock over the years were just okay. After the pandemic, the sector was really hot. It reached the all-time high 66 or something, and then really went down. We don't really care about this period right now. We care about this period that you can see right now. So we can also draw a channel over here. We are having some really good channel. We can draw it, and from the downside as well, and the channel was holding till this date where we saw a gap up in the price. We see massive gap up in the price, and the price really rip and break that resistance area and really traded above that place and never go back to this like descending channel that is going down. So what I'm expecting to see is that the stock is gonna make an ABCD pattern. So we saw this nice bounce and we're gonna see this nice bounce that you can see over here, and then it's gonna create an ABCD pattern, as I said. So this is the A phase, and then it's gonna create this recession, or we can say not recession, we can say correction in the price, and then the stock is gonna go up again like this one. So this is A, and this is B, and this is C, and then I think the stock is gonna continue to go that. It is a temporary we can say a correction in the price. Don't panic, everything is gonna be okay, because NIO and stuff like that, I think it is a really good company that has got a future. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up as well. Until the next time, see you next, guys.